Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to resize image in Canva app. So let's get started. As you can see here on the left side, I have this picture uploaded, and let's say that I want to resize it and make it the background of my page. So I'm just going to drag it to one of these sides on the page, and it will be automatically set as the background. Just like so. Alternatively, you can manually set an image that is already on the page as a background. So let me go ahead and delete this and let me show you. So you just right click on the picture, or you can click on the three dots right here, then click on set image as background, and there you have it. Now let's say you just simply want to resize an image, not set it as the background. So let me go ahead and show you. It's very simple and easy. All you have to do is just adjust it from one of these sides or corners, and yeah. It's pretty easy, right? Now let's say that you actually want to resize the canvas. First, we need to set the picture as the background. Then you're gonna click up here where it says resize and magic switch. After that, you're going to scroll down and click on custom size. From here, you're going to type in your preferred width and height for your new canvas. For example, I'm going to type in 1920 by 1080. After that, you're going to hit continue. Then you can either copy and resize, which will create a brand new design with the size that you chose. And if you simply just want to resize this current design, then you just click on resize this design, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.